Welcome to the future of real estate search. With our AI-powered intent-based property search, finding the right property is now effortless. Simply describe what you're looking for, and our intelligent search engine will instantly deliver the most relevant property listings based on your intent. Traditional property search platforms rely on a limited number of rigid filters, often making the process frustrating and time-consuming. Our AI-powered solution understands natural language prompts, making property discovery seamless and highly intuitive. Looking for a property in a specific location? Whether you have a city, state, zip code, or even an exact address in mind, our AI-powered search makes the process seamless. Simply enter your preferred location or zip code, and our system will instantly find and display the most relevant property listings tailored to your search intent. Property type-based search makes finding the perfect property effortless. Simply describe your requirements, whether it's a cozy single-family home, a modern condominium, or a spacious townhouse, and our advanced AI instantly analyzes your preferences to deliver the most relevant listings, saving time and making your home search faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Looking for real-time insights to make smarter property decisions? Our AI goes beyond just displaying listings. It continuously analyzes market trends, refines results by price filters, and identifies high-demand areas. Stay ahead of the market with real-time updates, ensuring you make well-informed property investments with confidence. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, AI-driven learning, and real-time updates, every search delivers precise, relevant, and the most up-to-date property listings tailored to your unique needs. Thank you for exploring our AI-powered intent-based property search. Experience a live demo today and see how AI-driven search, powered by natural language processing, can transform property discovery for you.